Cole Custer is a NASCAR Cup Series winner.
Tire rub on the floor by Kevin Harvick.
Custer, Truex, DiBenedetto, Harvick, Blaney. A rookie is going to win Kentucky. Can you believe it? Rookie Cole Custer wins Kentucky.
Incredible.
Cole Custer's entire team running out in this moment. They can't help themselves but to celebrate.
That last restart, I can't wait to go back and watch this.
You believe it? That was the best part of the trip.
That's going to put Cole Custer in the All-Star race for Wednesday.
That was unbelievable. I mean, Gene, I can't stress enough how thankful I am for him taking a shot at me. But this was by far, unbelievable car. We put it all together, and I just can't thank everybody enough.